All right, we're back to day 2. It's Thursday, was it the 4th of April or something?
3rd of April.
3rd of April. Not a bad day. It's going to rain tonight, so we're trying to get this ready. This gas can is hooked up to the fuel pump output just in case that shitty gas from 1978 starts flying everywhere. We're going to catch it. We have this car running on the bottle too, just like Leahy's car. I'm going to prime the bowls of the carburetor now and fill up the chamber. We are now about to resurrect the dead. Oh, I'm not talking about Pat. I'm the sleeping dead, not Pat. He's still alive and kicking.
I think.
He looked like Elvis today.
I don't know.
He got the whippy hair, the sideburns.
We're dealing with a Cadillac. How else could I look?
Oh, that's right. We got to paint it pink then. Okay. Yeah, what's so funny? I just have to kill you tonight. It's mine.
Hey, you got that on tape, eh? If I disappear, he said he's gonna kill me for this Cadillac.
I hear that. Yeah. Yeah. I can't see Dave with this car.
He's too cheap for the gas. The battery's a piece of shit. Here, go now.
Let's try different batteries.
You didn't squirt any gas down the carb?
No, because let's try a better battery. Get far back. All right, here we go again.
It is now. Try number 2 with a second battery.
We need a different battery now. There's something wrong with the timing or the firing order, really?
I think the timing is advanced.
Try 3.
Go again. Is it recording?
Absolutely is. He's spinning, but
Jumper cable's smoking. The battery's smoking. Stop.
Oh yeah, plenty of spark. It's just not cranking fast enough to start.
Yeah. So, now why?
Now my master mechanic, which I trained years ago, has taken out his first Cadillac starter in his life, and
No, that's not the first Cadillac starter.
it isn't.
First 67 Cadillac starter.
All right. The first time he's ever played with a starter motor that was older than him.
No.
Yes. What do you mean, no?
Fixed all that old shit in Philly.
Oh, okay. Well, anyways, it looks like a typical GM starter, just the solenoid's on a little bit different place than usual. That was probably to clear the exhaust.
There it is.
There it is.
So where's Myron?
What's that have to do with anything?
Fuck, I want to like make it serviceable, you know.
Hurry up and get some slave action going here, Ollie. We got to get this job done before it's dark. All right, get her done.
It might still be around here.
Well, starter's in. Ready for the next try. Exhaust looks not too bad. Stand back by the Cadillac. I mean by the white Chrysler.
I am back by the Cadillac.
By the white Chrysler. Now let me see this camera. With the new starter motor, we don't even know if it works yet. First try. It's the same. Uh-oh.
Wasted $80 fucking.
Let's play with the timing.
I'm telling you, the fucking thing ran.
So, try number 4. I don't know what. We've lost count. We've adjusted the timing now. We've retarded the timing. Still sounds much better.
Something's making weird noises now.
Smoking fuel.
Something's going like squeak, squeak now.
Is the choke open or closed right now?
Open, closed.
Closed?
Yeah.
We'll stick a screwdriver in it.
Alright, I think you flooded it.
We'll stick a screwdriver in it.
Go.
Okay, choke open.
It smells flooded here.
You ready?
I can't believe this fucking thing was running. I should have left it running.
Okay, here I go. What?
Nothing.
What the fuck?
Look at all this shit here. The battery booster, 2 batteries, new starter.
Alright, here we go again. That's a little better.
Flooded, right? Because it wasn't
When
flooded.
you get it running, it'll unseize itself. That's the only good thing.
So we checked the plugs and they were dry and
Yeah, that's it.
not even smelly. So we were closing the choke and pouring more gas in this baby.
Wait till my camera fires up.
Alright.
Okay, here I go.
Whoa!
What?
Nothing. Wait, quiet. Nothing, go ahead. I
I
heard
wonder if the wire going to the starter is shitty, and if you put the booster cable from the booster battery
right on it.
the starter.
That's worth a try.